project, and how to check like the endpoints are working or not. So this is my search API, which is operating on 8001 API endpoint. You can see also. So this is my post request, and in the the body I am sending query and how many relevant documents I want to retrieve. So let's try to see send the request, and you can see that I have got in the results the 5 topmost documents with their ID, with the text and the scope. So the relevant context has been retrieved. Now let's try to check this chat endpoint, which is working on Node.Js orchestration framework. So let's try to send user ID query, and what is rag? I'm asking a query. Let's try to send the request. As you can see, the request is being processed in the postman, and I have got the results: user ID, answer. That RAG stands for retrieval augmented generation. It is a system that combines retrieval of documents with LLM generation to produce context aware answers. So, and the source docs have been also retrieved. So, in which like the score is there, ID is there, and the timing is also like have been retrieved, how much time has been took to do the entire process. Let's try to deep dive. So I have a demo underscore script dot sh in my corresponding folder, and if you want to check all the endpoints like so this is the embedding URL. If you want to ingest something, so you have to give the document ID, and you have to give the text, the relevant text which you want to ingest into the document, and it would show the message echo that document has been ingested. Then the second is like you are trying to ask a context aware query that we have recently shown on our chat API endpoint. So we are asking test query, what is rag. So let's try to run this. So to execute this, we put making it executable, and then would try to run this script. So the script name is, as you can see, the document has been ingested. Then it is asking us context aware query, and we are getting the same answers that we have like seen in the postman. Query is completed. Then we are it is processing, loading, and applying a save LoRa adapter for inference. And as you can see that it has given us the answer of the question, what is the capital of France. It is giving some garbage answer because the toy data set was very small, and we have only like fine tuned it for the few steps only. So but we are able to fine tune it, this digital GPT, and saved it. So here this is the my saved LoRa model, which has been fine tuned, and all the the JSON files and all the related things are there in LoRa underscore digital GPT. And then we have another thing. So this is the LoRa inference, like which I have executed in demo underscore script dot sh to answer with a factual question, provide the answers of the MCQs. And this is the simple text that I have like took to ingest into my MongoDB vector DB. So this is like I have used bulk embedding API for that, and this is like the entire notebook. And for this, like as you can see, I have took like a smaller toy data set as has been suggested. What is the capital of France, who wrote it, and what is 2 plus 2, something like this. So this has been like toy data set has been like used over there, and in my readme all the informations how to run each, and how what would be the response and the parameters that would be taken by each and every endpoint, that is there also. And the the entire architect like repository like file structure would look like, and the points that we have like took for whatever the vector databases we considered, and all the whole things. And we have like, as has been suggested, we have took only small model for fine tuning for demonstration purposes, and the adapter is applied locally. No hosted inference endpoint is provided for that. So this is the assumption, and it is directly running from your like script. So and in .env all the credentials that are there for like Hugging Face token and MongoDB endpoint URL for accessing the database, all the credentials, right, that are there in .env. And thank you.